Hey everybody, let's take a look at smash burgers today. I've made a tofu smash burger that's perfectly seasoned, beautifully caramelized on the edges, and packed with flavor. Let me show you exactly how I made it. We're going to start by making a marinade. I'm adding some soy sauce, some maple syrup for a touch of sweetness, some paprika for some smokiness, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and a little bit of oil. Whisk this until it's well combined, and that's what's going to give the tofu its incredible flavor. Now for this part, I've taken a block of extra firm tofu, wrapped it in a kitchen towel, and I pressed it for about 20 minutes to squeeze all of the excess moisture out of it. I'm using a box grater to create shreds, and I'm just grating it onto a clean kitchen towel. And if it breaks apart, that's fine. You just want to have smaller, similar sized pieces so that they cook fairly evenly when you're creating these burgers. And again, I'm just putting this onto a towel, and I'm going to kind of press any extra moisture that I find as I'm doing this. And then I'm going to add it back into that marinade that we just whisked together. Coat it so that all the pieces get some flavor onto them. Here you can see that all of the shreds are evenly coated with that marinade. You want to make sure that all of them are coated well so that every bite has a lot of flavor. I packed the tofu into a small measuring cup. I think it's a 1/3 size there, and you're just trying to create a small ball of the tofu, and then you're going to smash it flat with the spatula onto a very hot iron skillet coated with oil. You're going to cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. You don't want to move it while it's creating that nice crispy golden crust. And once it is set, then you can go ahead and flip it to the other side, but you don't want to disturb it while it is creating that crust. Otherwise it will crumble and fall apart. And there you have it. Stack it onto your favorite vegan bread, bun, roll, whatever you want. Top it with your favorite toppings. Here I have some tomato, lettuce, and pickles, but whatever makes you happy, put it on there. Hope you enjoy.